Everyone thinks the best-selling bike alarm is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, WSDCam 113dB alarm. First up, we have the WSDCam 113dB bike alarm. Priced at just $18.98, this alarm caught my eye with its impressive features and the fact that it's a bestseller with over 18,000 reviews. If you want serious protection without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Plus, it has a 7-level sensitivity adjustment, so you can customize it based on your environment. The wireless remote control works up to 66 feet away, making it super handy when you're parked. It's also IP55 waterproof, which means you don't have to worry about rain ruining your investment. With over 500 units sold in the last month, it's clear people trust it to keep their bikes safe. Now, some people complained about the battery life not being as long as expected. Here's the thing though, unless you're using it constantly or in a very busy area, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. You can easily recharge it when needed, which is much easier than replacing batteries every time. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that delivers solid security. Skip this one if you need something with more advanced features and longer range. Product number 2, USUPERINK alarm. Next, let's talk about the USUPERINK bike alarm. At $31.99, it's a bit pricier but offers some excellent features. With a rating of 4.5 stars from nearly 2,000 reviews, if you want a reliable anti-theft system, this one deserves your attention. What sets this alarm apart is its versatility. The 113 dB sound is intimidating and adjustable, so you can set it to what feels right for your situation. The 7 levels of sensitivity mean you can customize how it responds to motion, and it's IP65 waterproof, so rain won't affect it. Plus, the remote control makes it easy to manage from a distance. Given its positive reception, it seems like a solid choice for anyone serious about bike security. On the downside, some users mention the installation could be tricky, especially if you're not handy. But honestly, if you take your time, it's not that complicated. Most people find it straightforward with the included instructions. This is a great pick if you want versatility and a solid reputation. Skip it if you're looking for something that's super easy to install without any fuss. Product number 3, Cruxer bike alarm. Coming in at $19.99, the Cruxer bike alarm offers a unique twist with its rechargeable battery and impressive range. With a 4.6-star rating from 1,500 reviews, it's clearly resonating with users. If you want something that's not just loud but also smart, this could be the one. What's cool about this alarm is the 3D displacement sensor that helps minimize false alarms. It can detect movement accurately, which means you're less likely to get woken up at night by a cat brushing against your bike. The volume ranges up to 110 dB, which is definitely enough to turn heads, and with a remote range of 229 feet, you can secure your bike from a distance. It's also waterproof, making it perfect for outdoor use. However, some users found the setup time a bit longer than expected, especially with multiple installation methods. Here's the thing though, once you have it set up, it's pretty much set and forget. If you're looking for something that combines tech-savvy features with solid performance, this is your best bet. But skip it if you want an alarm that's ready to go right out of the box without fiddling. Product number 4, PADONOW wireless alarm. The PADONOW wireless remote bike alarm is next on our list at $21.99. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from over 800 reviews, it's a fantastic option if you want something loud and effective. If you're serious about deterring thieves, this one's worth considering. The sensitivity is also customizable, allowing it to activate on slight touches or more significant movements. It's USB-C rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about batteries, and it can last up to 3 months on a single charge. Plus, it's IPX5 waterproof, which is great for those unpredictable weather days. One issue some users pointed out is that the remote doesn't work well from too far away. Here's the thing, if you're parking your bike close by, that shouldn't be a problem, and most people find it works sufficiently well for their needs. This is perfect for you if you want a loud alarm that's easy to charge and versatile enough for various uses. Skip this if you need a long-range remote feature to secure your bike from a distance. Product number 5, WSDCAM USB Rechargeable Alarm. Finally, we have the WSDCAM USB Rechargeable Bike Alarm, also at $19.99. It's rated 4.6 stars by around 1,000 users, making it a reliable choice. If you value convenience and a straightforward setup, this might be just what you need. This alarm features a built-in rechargeable battery, which is a huge plus. It's got a volume of 110 dB, adjustable sensitivity, and offers 3 different installation methods, which means you can set it up however works best for you. Plus, it's IP65 waterproof, ensuring that weather won't compromise its functionality. With a wireless range of up to 260 feet, it gives you good control over your bike's security. Some users mention that the materials feel a bit cheap, which can be a concern for some. But honestly, considering the price and performance, it's a solid deal for what you're getting. You really can't beat the convenience of rechargeable functionality. This is ideal for you if you want an affordable, user-friendly alarm system. Skip it if you're looking for something that feels more heavy-duty. So to recap, the WSD-CAM offers great value, while the USUPERINK provides versatility. The Cruxer stands out for its tech features, the PADONOW is all about loudness, and the WSD-CAM delivers convenience. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best and secure your ride.